Welcome to your new home in Coventry, Mayors Croft, a student accommodation. Nestled in the heart of the city, this residence offers a range of private and shared apartments. The room features large windows that fill it with natural light and offer views of lush green trees standing tall. The warm bed ensures a cozy and homely feeling, while the compact study desk, accompanied by chest drawers and shelving units, provides an organized space for your school supplies. Get your outfit from the wardrobe after a refreshing shower in the bathroom. Moving to the kitchen, you'll find a microwave and a cooktop, where you could reheat pasta and meatballs from the night before or whip up a quick omelette. With the University of Warwick and Coventry University just a short distance away, this student housing is a popular choice. On your way back, grab groceries from Warwick Oriental Supermarket or enjoy a takeaway from Heat and Eat. For weekends, create some great memories with your friends at the Phantom Coach or explore the city by catching a bus from the Wendeburg Street bus stop. Life at Mayors Croft promises to be a dream. Secure your stay now through amberstudent.com and embark on a vibrant student experience in Coventry.